Hey everybody, Lone Wolf Rick here, and I thought I'd just take a couple of minutes here and just show you what the front of the property looks like now. And I finally got back into town here, and just kind of out here on this Sunday afternoon, just roaming around here. And they're moving right along. It's like on some of this demolition here.
It's on me to go to immediate left, so I think we're still going in the right direction. This is not like
Take a look there where they're doing the same thing in the tower that they did over at the on those cabana rooms, where they're just kind of pulling everything out and just leaving the hull or the shell of the building, it looks like, getting ready for the demolition, when that'll be. I tried to look on the internet and they still haven't released a date yet of when the demolition's actually going to be, but you can see they're doing their part here. It's like as far as getting rid of the low-lying areas anyway. And then just kind of gutting the rooms basically. Now back this way yet, they have not done anything as far as the front of the building here. All right, everybody, thank you very much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and just show you the progress that's being made here. Here at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.